Today, we gather to lift Austin and Bridget up in celebration of their everlasting love. In the presence of their family and friends, Austin and Bridget will pronounce their love through this ceremony and begin a lifelong journey together. A little quick story. A few weeks ago, Bridget's Aunt Marion and I had the pleasure of having breakfast with these two. Bridget ordered grits. Austin wanted some of Bridget's grits. At first, Bridget didn't want to share them. You know how it is, but we've all been there. In the end, not only did Bridget share her grits, they went home and made more grits together. Before we begin, I ask every witness here to please close their eyes for a moment. Imagine your best memory of Austin and Bridget. You can see some of the smiles out there appearing on your faces. I ask you to offer that memory to the heavens in order to surround this couple with love and support. Please open your eyes now. Do Bridget and Austin have your blessings? Yes. Thank you.
You look so beautiful.
Oh, honey, we're proud of you.
Thank you.
Best of luck, okay?
You're gonna have a great life. That's the best part is we know that you both love each other so much.
Yeah.
It is. That's
I'm
what
just
it's
so
about.
grateful for y'all. As some of you know, I'm very protective of Bridget. I would do anything for her, and she's one of my most important people in my life. Over the years, we've laughed together, cried together, and had many amazing memories. So I don't want to get too sappy, because I'm already about to cry. But in conclusion, you became husband and wife, and after your pit stop in paradise for your honeymoon, you'll be back to normal and ordinary life. My hope for you both is not to be fooled by what some will call ordinary. Instead, I hope that you will always know how truly extraordinary it is to fall in love deeper and deeper with the same person for the rest of your life.
Now repeat after me, please. With this ring, I give you my promise
I give you my promise
that from this day forward,
that from this day forward,
you will not walk alone.
you will not walk alone.
May my heart be your shelter,
May my heart be your shelter,
and my arms be your home.
and my arms be your home.
May we walk together through all things,
May we walk together through all things,
and may you feel deeply loved,
and may you feel deeply loved,
for indeed you are.
for indeed you are.
These are the hands of your best friend, young and strong and full of love, for you are holding on to each other on your wedding day as you promise to love each other today, tomorrow, and forever. These are the hands that will work alongside of yours together as you build your future. These are the hands that will love you and cherish you through the years, whose touch will comfort you. These are the hands that will hold you when your mind is full of fear and grief. These are the hands that will wipe the tears from your eyes, both tears of sorrow and of joy. These are the hands that will hold your children. These are the hands that will give you strength when you need it. And lastly, these are the hands that even when wrinkled with age, will still be reached for, still giving you the same unspoken love and support with just a touch. By the power vested in me before your family and friends, I now pronounce you Husband and wife, please seal your marriage with a kiss. It's my pleasure and honor to present the newly married couple, Mr. and Mrs. Austin and Bridget.